Wow, these guys are such fucking retards. They're actually buying shit from me. Hey, fat shit, what do you need?
I need a car.
Alright, what car you looking for? We got race cars. We got monster trucks, motorcycles, little race cars, little motorcycles, and trucks for poor people like Joey.
Excuse me, you made me pay 200
Shut the
grand.
fuck up. So what you looking for, a race car, a monster truck?
What about that blue motorcycle over there?
Oh yeah, that's gonna cost 300 grand.
Jesus Christ, 300 grand?
Yeah, can you pay it or not, fat shit?
Stop calling me fat shit.
What, fat shit? Do you prefer bat shit or something? Don't try me. I'll blow you to bits like old Willie.
What a bad bitch. Goddamn.